Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you a new feature on your iPhone or iPad with the release of iOS 14, where it'll show you if your app is accessing your camera or microphone with these little indicators on the screen like this. Before we begin, don't forget to enter my giveaway where I'm giving away £10 Amazon gift card vouchers to random subscribers every week. The rule is simple, you just need to subscribe and comment on my latest video for this week. Winners will be announced on Sunday, 7th March 2021. So good luck! So as long as your iPhone or iPad has a new iOS 14, this feature is enabled by default and you don't need to do anything. Now I'll start off with opening an app where I know it will use my device camera. So here I'll start off Instagram and I'll pretend to post a story. Now as the camera starts off, you'll notice a green circle at the top right just above your mobile signal symbol. This green dot is basically telling me that right now this app is accessing my camera.
Wow!
Once I close this Instagram story, the dot disappears. Now let me show you this on a recording app like a voice memo app on your iPhone. And let's just start it up. As the recording starts, you'll notice an orange dot at the top right just above your mobile signal again. The orange dot is actually telling me that this app is actually recording my audio or it's listening to me. Once I stop the recording, the orange light will disappear, which means the app is not listening anymore. So anytime you open an app and you see a green dot, that means the app is recording you with audio. If you see an orange dot, that means it's listening to you. So whenever you open an app, do watch out for these indicators as they can tell you what the app is trying to do. And there you go. Be safe, like, share, and subscribe.